Alright guys, check this out. We're at this crazy cave today, and this is the longest cave we've ever been to. It's 30 miles long, over 30 miles. And we got to go down the deepest pit we've ever seen, 450 feet. So we're rigging up and we're going in. Oh yeah, we're gonna get wet. We'll move quick though. Yeah. Getting soaked already. I'll try to get down front. Yeah, right. Oh. I think I'm gonna take my jacket off. Yeah, I was saying, like, do I take off here or that's where it's on? Oh, actually, yeah, if we gotta wait for each other at the top. Yeah. It looks so refreshing in here. Woo! It's a long way down, boys. I cannot see the bottom. Yeah, that's a deep one. Holy crap, dude. This is insane how big it is. Dude, nothing prepared me for this. That's sick, man. Sure it feeds good. Yeah. All right, yo. It's just straight down. Dropping it. Holy crap. That's insane. This is scary.
Don't think about it.
How can you not think about it?
Well, you think about it so much, but you don't think about it.
Nothing to it but to commit. I just gotta get over this lip. I'll feel a little better.
Are you feeling the wall?
What?
Are your feet on the wall?
No, it's like a lip. Oh. Like this thing sticks out. Dude, it's just emptiness below me.
Wow.
You're on a land bridge.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Dude, this is a lot of trust and a little bit of metal and some fabric.
Yeah.
Holy crap, guys.
Before you go any further, do a little bounce to make sure the rope's not going to shift over.
Oh. Guys, I'm not gonna lie. I'm having second guesses here. This is next level. I'm questioning everything about my life. Guys, this is scary. Oh my God. Everything look good up there?
Yeah.
Oh my God. What am I doing? Holy crap. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, this is insane. Oh my God, I can't see anything. Oh. Oh my God. Oh, this is scary. I'm gonna add a bar. Oh my gosh, I'm in the fog. I can't see anything. Hey guys! Guys, it's just me and this rope, because I can't even see a foot in front of my face. Oh my God, I hear water below me. Oh my gosh, am I about to go into a waterfall? This is insane. It's a waterfall. Oh, the bottom. Well, I thought it was the bottom. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, it just got cool again. Oh, whoa. I made it. Oh, I'm getting blasted by water here. Off rope! Dang! Check this waterfall out. I don't even know if this is showing up on camera because of all the water droplets. But this is wild, man. All right, this is cold. I gotta get out of here. See that tiny pinpoint of light up there? That's him. It's so hard to see him up there. There's so much fog. This light's just not doing enough. Here one of them comes. Oh snap. There's a rope that goes up. That's crazy. Alright guys, we explored that way, didn't see much. We don't know if James and the other guy's even coming down. So we're just gonna go up this rope here, try and get on top of this ledge and see where it goes. This is sketchy. Holy crap. We're on like a mud shelf here. 60 feet up. Hey, this is so sketchy, man. This is by far the sketchiest cave I've ever been in. Nothing solid. Everything's mud. Hey! Dang! Yeah. It's covered in formation. Dude, what's the deal with this thing? A tape measure?
Yeah. I guess an ongoing survey.
That's pretty cool. I know. Dude, look at this room. Oh my gosh. Dude, that's deep. I gotta see how deep it is. Alright, throwing it.
It's a lot deeper than I thought.
Dude, that's like 100 feet. And who knows if that actually hit the true bottom of it.
Yeah, I could hear shell.
Dude, that's a formation.
Oh my god, that is huge.
Oh my gosh. We peer up it, but... Oh yeah. That goes way up, man. Good. 100 feet from where we're at.
Oh, that's...
Whoa.
Dude, whoa.
Dude, I can see around the corner in that hallway too, and it keeps going.
Whoa.
Oh, and there's a traverse line right there. Dude, we gotta go over that.
Oh, absolutely. Dude, that is massive.
That is huge.
Such a huge formation.
Let me see. Holy crap. That one's way deeper than that one.
Oh, definitely.
So it's very unstable. It's not a good sound. I'm recording, yeah. Because this is insanity. Alright. Oh, these formations.
Yeah. Are there straws or just regular?
Just look like regular. Some of them are straws.
Yeah, this one right here is a straw.
There's a couple. There's a lot of straws.
Yeah.
Some of them are filled in. Look at this column though.
Yeah.
Dude, we're at the formation.
I was gonna ask, what should be close to? Oh my god.
We're at it, man.
Dude, look at, oh my god.
Oh wow, it just keeps going. Holy. At least we can kind of see now. There's not fog. Dude, look at it. All the way across the room, it just keeps going. Holy. I gotta go up to this thing. This is just insane though. What do you think that is? Like 60, 70 feet tall? At least, yeah. Yo. This is crazy. Dude, the textures up here are freaking crazy. I mean, it's just like a whole bunch of bubbles up here and stuff. Oh, dude, this... No. No way. This is sketch. This is not cool. One little wrong move, you end up like the rock.
I'll grab on top of that rock, actually, that you're going on. I'd hold on to the top of that.
Yep, yep. Oh. Dude, we are making it. Oh, I thought you were goner for a second. It'd just be like a cartoon. Goodbye.
No.
This is wicked. It just keeps going. I don't know how much further we can go.
Yeah.
Might gotta turn back soon.
It's always like, I wish we got one more room.
I know.
Oh, there's another one. Let's go to that.
The rooms just get bigger and bigger.
Yeah.
Oh. Dude, it keeps going. I know you didn't expect that, but
Never.
dude, it keeps going in a major way. Oh my gosh. All right, we made it to the promised land. Look at that pool.
Oh, wow.
Oh, there's a crawfish in it. There's a bunch of crawfish. These things are pure white. Oh man, so the cave keeps going up there.
Yeah.
Probably goes right up over that shelf.
Oh yeah.
You know, it kind of ended right here. We'd have to go up into that room.
Yeah.
It's up above us. So I think it's a good time to stop.
Oh yeah.
All right, guys, he's going up. I'm gonna be the last one out of here. It's a long way up. He's almost made it up. This is gonna be so scary. Guys, I'm about halfway up, and this is scary. It's even scarier than coming down. Every time I move up this thing, the rope actually bounces like a foot, and I feel like it's just up there sawing against that rock. I made it, guys. Almost. Hey. Time check.
Yeah, what time is it? 7 o'clock.
Oh, it took me 28 minutes. Took you 31.
I was gonna say it took me about 30 minutes.
All right, we got our rope back up. Made it back out, probably what, 7-hour trip? At least, yeah. Huge shout out to Highline Rope. We're not sponsored by them, but we sure did trust them.
Yeah.
And Nightcore, because we wouldn't have seen anything without these Nightcore lights.